Hi, I'm Paul Havestein. I'm a trial attorney at McCarthy Wilson, and for today's 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm going to be talking a little bit about courtroom etiquette. Most people are lucky enough not to find themselves in a courtroom very often, so they don't know many of the manners that are expected in a courtroom. First of all is how to dress. If you look at legal dramas or movies from the 50s and 60s, you're going to see everyone in the courtroom in a full suit and tie. That's not really the case anymore as society across the board becomes more casual. If you are a person who wears a suit, I would go ahead and wear that suit. If you're not a person who wears a suit, I wouldn't necessarily tell you to go out and buy one or borrow one from a friend. Remember, when you're in a courtroom, the judge is going to be looking at credibility, looking at how genuine you are. And if you're not a person who wears a suit and you're wearing a suit that's 2 times too big, that may show up poorly. So I would recommend just dressing respectfully, but genuine to yourself. Something you'd wear to a religious service or a school graduation would probably be appropriate. In the same vein, you can't eat or drink in a courtroom, and that includes chewing gum. You cannot wear any headwear in a courtroom, so please take off, any hats or other headwear that's not used for religious purposes before entering the courtroom. You also must silence your phone before going to the courtroom. If your phone goes off in the courtroom, a bailiff may yell at you and admonish you for having the phone, may even take the phone, and that's not the way you want to start your proceeding. Generally, when the judge or jury enters a courtroom, everyone is supposed to stand, and when they exit the courtroom, everyone stands. When you're speaking to the court, you generally stand and then sit down when you are finished. The exception is if you are giving testimony on the witness stand, you generally remain seated. Remember, above all else, you are quite literally being judged in a courtroom. So you want to make sure that you are presenting as someone that is calm, professional, respectful, and credible. Thank you for listening, and good luck in your upcoming proceeding. If you require any legal assistance in the future, please don't hesitate to contact the law firm of McCarthy Wilson. Thank you.